Hello everyone, my name is Shaban Ibrahim. I am working as a functional consultant in Microsoft Dynamics 365. This is session number 17 in Finance Part, General Ledger module. Today we will start the first session in the financial report, or it is called before in EX 2012 as a management report. So let us start. So first we will see how to get this report. You can get this report or the navigation from General Ledger. Then you will go to Inquiries and Reports, and here you will press Financial Reports. Here you will see all this. It is default financial report. Default mean it is created by Microsoft, depending on the main account category. Today we will see how to create the report from scratch. To create the report from scratch, you must go to the designer. So you will make edit or you will make new. The system automatically will go to the designer. Here in the designer, here this is you must create report definition. This is report definition in the financial report designer. In this video, we will provide information about report definition. A report definition is a report component or building block that use a row definition and column definition, and an optional reporting tree definition. To create a report definition also provides optional options and settings that for customizing a report. A report definition is a report component or building block that use a row definition, a column definition, and optional reporting tree definition. To create a report definition also provide optional and settings that you can use to custom reports. After you define row definition and the column definition, you must combine them in the report definition. At the point you also define other aspect of the definitions, such as a detail level and report date. You can then save and generate report. Financial reporting offers the following level for details. Number one, financial. Number two, financial and account. Number three, financial account and transaction. However, depending on how data is stored in the Microsoft Dynamics ERP system, transaction detail might not be available in report. So, to create report definition in the report design on the file menu, here on the file menu you can create new and you will select here what is the type of the report definition or row definition or column definition. So here I will create new report definition. First, this is the report definition from scratch. First, here you will see the first tab, it is report. Second, output and distribution. Third, headers and footer, then setting. So we will start from report. In the report here, you can select the company, which company you need to make this report. If you need to make for all company, you must select add any. So here, let us make the report for USMF company. Second thing here, detail level. Here you need the report only financial or financial account or financial account and transaction. This is mean if I select financial, so in this report I can make drill down for the details. So here, second, if I make financial and account, here the drill down only it will be the account plus financial dimension or the only one level drill down. So if I select financial account and transaction here, this is mean you can make drill down until you can go to the transaction or the original transaction. Here in the professional, you can see you will select post actual and budget, because if and the second one, it is post actual vs budget and posted budget. This mean it will contain also an posted budget. Here only unposted budget, so I will select the posted actual and budget. Here, currency information, if you select include or reporting currency GP, so if you have it is if you have currency revaluation, you will select this one and you can see the report by multiple currencies. Here, base period, suppose I need to make the report for period May, so I will select here and I will select here also base year if it is 2022 or another. Then I will go here to select the row definition and the column definition. This is the component for the report definition. So here, this is the default, all default row. It is created by Microsoft, and here also column is created by Microsoft. It is the default. Then here, if I select type tree, if I created reporting tree, then here I will select the reporting tree. So now we will see how to create the reporting definition by row definition and column definition. So suppose I will select here, let us select here, let us see, summary income statement. Here I will select the column definition, it is period and year to date. Here I will select none. Then at this time I can generate the report. Why? Because I have summary income statement as row definition and I have column definition. This means this is the minimum requirement for the reporting definition. Then I will go to generate. Then the system automatically he will create report in the viewer. So this is the first tab, it is report. Second, I will go to output and distribution. Here the output and distribution, you can make some customized selection. Report option include header and footer. So if you didn't need the header and footer, you will remove this one. Include format rows, include underscore rows. If you need remove the underscore from rows, you can remove. And here also you can maintain the Excel if you need to export the report to Excel. So also you can custom the Excel. Include fonts and shading, generate to single worksheet, include formula, include header and footer. So this is some parameter you can select to see the report in Excel sheet. Third, here the headers and footer. Here you can control what is the header and footer. Suppose I need to select first section, I will mention company name. So here there is two types. You can write manual. Let us see USMF. So here I can mention the first selection as manual, or you can come here and insert auto text, then header from company description or company name. So if I select company here, name here, this is mean it is dynamic. So you can the company name, it will come by default in the report. And also here, if you need to add another date and time, you can report it in text form or report it in year and month form. So you can add here what is the header component, and it can be it is manual or automatic or dynamic. So here this is the first section, and you can make second section and third section by the same way. Here if you need to add the image, or you can add image or logo, you can select from desktop and you can select what is the logo or the image it will appear in the report. Here also, this is section belong footers. Here in the footers, the same way you can add what you need in the footer. It is the same way. Page number, here you can add the page number. Here you can add the text field or others around anything you can add it from here in their text, and also you can add image. Fourth, it is setting here. It is some setting belong report. Here rounding, if suppose I need the report no rounding, I suppose it is whole dollars or nearest hundred or thousand or whole thousand, so or million. So you can control the amount by rounding precision. If it is millions, if thousand, if no rounding, so I will select no rounding. Here calculation priority, you will make calculation priority by column first then row, or by row first then column. Here the standard, it is perform row calculation first and then columns. Then processing order. Okay, and there is, if you need to make rearrange the processing order of value and reporting tree, perform calculation to you can make move up or move down. Reporting unit selection. Here you can select unit at runtime, include all unit, and include specific number of level. Here there is something, it's important also. Here it display negative. If you need the negative amount, it will be between brackets, or it is minus, or like this. So you can select, let us see if I added by minus or by between brackets. Display negative number in red. So if you need to see it will be clear the negative amount, so you can select this option, it will be in the red color. Here display digit separator. If you need to display the amount by digit separator, you will select this one. Here currency and symbol. Here display blank of 0, and there is some configuration or some parameter you can test it by yourself and see what is the effect or what it will be effect in the report. Okay, so this is all the setting. Some setting belong the reporting definition. So here then I will also see row definition. Here the row definition. Here you can directly come from our report definition. If you press this one, it will navigate directly to report definition. This is the default report definition, or it is standard row definition from Microsoft. But you can also create row definition from scratch. From here, if you press new, automatically it will create row definition. So we will see how to configure the row definition. First column, it is row definition number 100 like this. So you can renumbering this one. How? You will go to edit here and you will see renumber rows. Here you need to start from 1 and you need to add 10, increment rows by 10. So if I make okay, you will see here 1, 11, 21, 31, 41. So you can make renumber the row code. This is the first thing. Second, suppose I need, this is a description. Here the description, there is two way. You can enter manual or it will come by default. So suppose I select here the linked dimension. Here main account category, I will select this account administration, then I will make okay. Here by default the description, it will come when I select link to financial dimension, or you can mention manual the description. Then format code, you will see here in the format code some you will see some drill down or some selection here. Here you will select the total calculation, description, left, right, and understood. We will not use all, but I will show how to select which one it is important, we will select during the report. Here related formula. Related, it is dependent on format code. Let us see if I select here total, then you must add here the formula. Let us see here, suppose this is 141 line. I will add here, I will select here total, then I will mention here from 1 to 31. So here this is formula or related formulas rows unit. Okay, here normal balance. Suppose this is revenue account. The revenue account, it will come as a credit, it will come as minus. So here if I need to change or reverse the sign on account, balance will be reversed. So if I will select this one, so it will be as a positive, not negative. Here also it is print control. If you need non-printing row, if you didn't need to print row, the current format in the row, and suppress row in if all zeros, leave zero column blank. So here you can control what is the print control. Here also the important, it is linked to financial dimension. Here suppose I select here or I added here sales, then I will go here to make link it to financial dimension. Here if you go to link financial dimension, there is some dimensions. If I select all, you will see here all the financial dimension you have in the company. So here let us see some here you it is main account, business unit, and other financial dimension. So here if I select all, here I will if I select the dimension set it is all, so I can here select main account. Suppose I need to select this main account to this main account with dimension. So here I will select the business unit. So here I will select from this business unit to this, or only one business unit. Then I will make okay. So here the amount the amount will come in the report. It will by this dimension only, by the bank account plus the business unit. This is mean the system he make filtration in the report. Okay, so this is the way how to create the row definition. And also you can here control the row definition like Excel sheet. You can make bold, you can increase the size, you can add the color here, so you can make control for the row definition. Okay, here let us see. I will create here total revenue. Here I will go, also I will add the summary out here. Let us see this one. Here I will select format code as a total. Here I will add the related formula. Related formula, I will select all account between 1 from 1 to 31, and I will mention here the sign, it is C, it is mean it will be reversed. Okay, here also I can add separator in that row. I added in that row, and I can go here and select double underscore amount here, and I will mention here which line I need the separator or the underscore. So this is the way how to create the row definition. Okay, okay. Then I will go to this is session only overview. Next session I will show you how to create income statement from scratch, how to create balance sheet from scratch, how to create cash flow in next sessions, inshallah. Third, I will go to create the column definition. Here I will press column definition. then I will make new. In the column definition here, you will see header 1, header 2, and header 3. First, the column A you will select as description. Then here you will select header. Let us see, I need to make a report for the monthly report. So here I will select here month name. So I will select this one. It is insert auto text. This means if I make report for January, it will come by default here January in the report. If I in report definition, if I select February, so in the report viewer it will be January, like this. So here it is column type. What is the column type here? It is you need amount from financial dimension or calculated columns or description or this all this that. So I will select here FD. It is financial dimension amount. Then actual. Here the category here you need actual or budget or what is the type or attribute category you need to select. So here I will make report for the actual amount. Here physical year, it is physical year, it is base mean this is dependent on my selection in the reporting definition. If I select reporting definition 2022, this is mean if I select here base, this means the report it will come as 2022. If I select in the reporting definition to 2017, this is mean base it would be 2017. And here period also it is the same way, but it will be monthly or the period which you define in the general ledger configuration. So here it is, let us see you select in reporting definition January, so also it will come as a January. Here periodic you need the report or periodic plus beginning balance or year to date or year to date and beginning balance. So I will select as periodic, and here the column width it is auto fit. For other you will see in the next session with our report. Okay, then I will close, don't see, no. Okay, so in next session we will see inshallah all this report, default report we will study one by one, and it is, and then we will see reporting tree definition, what mean reporting tree definition, and the report group, what mean report group. So inshallah in next session we will see all this field. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.